Hey guys, so today is the Wednesday, 13th of April, 2022. We're looking at Ethereum technical analysis once again. So let's start with the daily. I'm gonna be updating my table that I started to keep this week just to see what the TA is showing us. So let's have a look here. So we'll start on the daily because daily changes, as you say, daily. We get one candle each day. So I think in the last video I was talking about how this could be this bear flag, and if we do break down and break this weekly 21 EMA in blue, then we're most likely to come to the next zone, which had some action over here. So that's what happened exactly, right? That's what happened. We had the bear break and we had another increase in large kind of bear volume here. We came down just below 3,000, so 2,950. We kind of double bottom there, and now we are trying to hold it. I guess it's still looking like a bear flag once again, possibly, but yeah, let's see if we bouncing here. And also, I drew this on the 4-hour, and it's not really, it's not. I just drew it as a guide. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna be using it, but maybe this is starting to form. Maybe this is a falling wedge starting to form here for body closing of the red candles. There's 1, 2, 3 times. So we're looking at that, and let's see if this will come into play. Let's say we bounce here, and then we reject from it, possibly, and then are we gonna come down and retest it or not? So it's just a guide. It's nothing here. So anyway, back to daily chart here. So daily chart, we rejected from the 8 EMA here twice. You can see the 2 weeks, and we have bears jump on it. We are forming kind of a bear flag here, so we still have to be careful. And yeah, let's see what happens. Although we did have but this candle has a rejection wick here, so it's, bears is still in control, especially in daily. We confirmed the downtrend. We're downtrending, and the bear flag got confirmed. This RS structure, I call it RS structure because it's resistance and support. So it was resistance, and now it's starting to be a support. Actually, if we look back as well, it's kind of an important area here. You can see over here also it was support, and over here it was kind of a resistance, support. Over here it got played around as well. Over here it was support. So yeah, so there is a bit of action on this 3,000. It's a 3,000 level. It's a psychological level also. So it's gonna play around with people's psyche. So maybe the market will muck around with people's psyche around this level for now. So we had the bear volume increase on the bear break, which sucks. We get the daily ATMA still being rejected, so maybe is it gonna do the same thing? Let's see what the daily ATMA test is going to be like when it's coming down. Is it gonna come down over here and also line up with this trend line on the 4-hour that we drew? Daily RSI. So we broke down this trend line on the RSI. We did form the bear flag here, and we broke down, and that was the Fed follow through. So we are downtrending on the RSI as well. So yeah. And now if we look, we are down. We went down to 17%. 17% is pretty large move. So usually if we do. So this one was 25% move down here. We bounced. So yeah, I mean, over here we had about 18%, and then we bounced a little bit here. So let's see if we're gonna have a bounce here or not, and how far we're gonna get. If we're gonna get smashed down by the 21, oh sorry, 8, this 8 EMA here or not. Looking at weekly, so weekly, we're trying to set a high low on the weekly. We draw the fibs here. The fibs is trying to hold the 0.5 level. You know, you either draw it like this. I like it like this, I guess, or like that, because this was the high low, high low, high low, and then we have it. So from here to here, you got 0.5 at 3000 level, so it's trying to hold that. Weekly, I don't think weekly changed anything. It's still uptrending. It's looking for higher low at this fibs 0.5. RS zone 3000 is key right now. It's trying to hold it. Volume is just kind of steady. We still got 4 days to go here, so let's see what happens here. We're halfway through the week, it's about half. So weekly ADMA, so weekly ADMA, we went below it, and now we're trying to hold it. This is the green line here. We're trying to hold it. We broke below the 21 EMA, so we still got 4 days. Imagine if we pump up here and we close above the 21 EMA, that would be a pretty nice looking candle. That would be a very nice candle if we pumped and closed above 3,200. Weekly RSI downtrend line rejected at this moment, so yeah, that's bad. So nothing else changed. That's what we got here. So there's a couple of things changed, but I'm not looking at the old table. This table here. I'm not looking at the old table, but we will go over it at the end. Monthly, you know, obviously monthly hasn't changed because, you know, it's monthly. We're still at 17 days, almost 18 days to go until monthly call. So we're still uptrending. We're looking for lower high. So is this going to be our lower high at 3.6K? So yeah, RSI is cooling off. It is downtrending. Kind of downtrending. Yeah, it's downtrending. RSI. It rejected from 0.5 fibs, so it's from the top to the bottom. We got 0.5 fibs. It got rejected. So maybe it's interesting. 0.5 rejected here, and then it's trying to hold 0.5 as well. So 0.5 seems to be coming into play. 8 EMA. Well, we're trying to hold it. 8 EMA is right through us. So let's see what's going to happen with 8 EMA. 21 EMA. That's this line, so that's far away. If we come down to test it again, back at 2,400, 500 level, it's going to probably rise up a little bit. You know, to 526 level. Let's turn it off. And volume looks kind of okay still. Let's see how this volume gets developed. Doji indecision candle forming. So let's see what happens here with this candle. So yeah. All right, so that's monthly. Let's go into, let's quickly do the rundown of this table here. Oops. Okay, so let's go to daily. Daily. So we got monthly, we got uptrending, which is a plus. We're looking for lower high, which we kind of already, you know, should I put it on monthly as we read through it, right? Make it a bit better. We're looking for lower high, arrest, holding to 8 to 650. I think that's this area here. And we haven't touched it yet, so don't worry, we don't need to worry about it. We don't need to worry about it at the moment. RSI below the oversold, below the overbought, sorry. We rejected from 0.52, which I talked about. We're not back above 8 EMA, so we're testing 8 EMA. So maybe we'll just remove this plus here, so because we're not above it, we're not holding it at the moment. Because it's 17 days left, so we're gonna watch where this candle is gonna close, and then we're gonna update this table here. So bounced off 21 EMA, so that's down here. Volume looks okay. Well, it doesn't look like anything special, so maybe we'll remove this. So we're changing a lot of things actually here. This candle. So this candle here forming that candle, I guess. With a wick, so we're going to be watching this candle. So we'll do it as a minus. So we got 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus. So we'll remove some of them, and then we got 1 minus, 2 minus, 2 minuses. Volume steady here. Oh wait, I got it. So nothing on the volume. It's just looks ordinary. This one here. Let's go to weekly. Weekly. We went through it, but we just quickly doing uptrending. We're looking for high low. We're looking for high low, so hopefully this is a high low here. The volume is nothing really, it's just normal average volume. Weekly 8 EMA support, so we're trying to hold this weekly 8 EMA support. It's still a plus for us, yep, especially on this bounce that's going on right now. 21 EMA, RSI rejected, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, 1 minus. On daily, what do we got on daily? Daily, we got the downtrending on the daily. We bear flagged, confirmed, forming a new bear flag. So we're gonna watch that. Daily RSI breakout, daily RS breakout and retest. So we're holding this 3000 level, so it's a plus. We got bear volume increase over here, so that's on a break. That's not good. We got daily 8 EMA. So EMA is acting as resistance. It's coming close to it now. Daily RSI is no longer supporting, so we broke down, and we are down 17 from the top. So that's a plus. I put that as a plus because you know, 17 drop is pretty big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 minuses here. 6 minuses. I've also got 4 hour here. 4 hour changes really fast, so Let's remove this 4-hour. So 4-hour, we are, had a massive, we formed like high lows here. We're trying to get to high low, so we're not downtrending anymore. So we're ranging again, ranging. Well, we don't know what it is yet, so if we reject from the top here, then we're going to be ranging. But if we break it, then we're going to be uptrending. We're trying to hold this ATMA now, so trying to hold ATMA. I guess put it as a plus, but it doesn't, it doesn't mean anything really. 4 hours, see, 4 hours just not, we bounced from oversold, we formed high low on our side. Yeah, what else in the 4 hour? We got this big volume indecision candle just at the ATMA and it was below it, so we got 2 hours to go on this candle yet. So yeah, there's not much information. I mean, we got this possible falling wedge formation to watch. So we're gonna watch this. It's not very important, but we like this bullish divergence. It's like a bullish divergence. RSI double bottomed, so that's a plus, and bouncing off it. Not much else I can see here. Do we have a trend line here? Let's see. It was a fake out. Oh yeah, we had this trend line before and we had a fake out from it. So is this a fake out again? Is a fake out again here? So yeah, don't worry about this because it's faked out once. So I'm looking at the last drop and this drop here. It was more candles here dropping down, and then ATMA was kind of resistance the first time. Then we set a high low. Same here, resistance first time. We set a high low, and now we're gonna start closing a little bit above the ATMA now. So and we kind of ranged here. So let's see what's gonna happen. If it's gonna be similar like this one or not, when we kind of double topped here as a RSI faked out, and this double top, and then we had a massive dump. But let's see how this one develops. So anyway, so yeah, in summary, basically we're downtrending on the daily, so we still gotta be careful until we start uptrending on the daily. And if we start uptrending on the daily, that means we are trending on every time frame, so monthly, weekly, and daily. So that will be good time to start swinging, but not yet. Now we still have to be careful. We still need to wait for daily trend change to go in on swings. Otherwise, we have to do short-term bounce bull trades only or low risk setups. So low risk setups, like very low risk or zero risk will be optimal. So for example, let's say you got in on the bottom here, and then as you bounce, you start selling off a little bouncing, and then your average will go down. So if you put a stop underneath here, if it's a bear flag, then you got zero risk. Basically, you're risking not much to lose. And that's what I've done. Actually, I'm in and I plan, and I hope this is a weekly high low. I hope this is weekly high low. And I got zero risk right now because I already sold some on this little bounce, and my average is below the bottom here. So yeah, that's my update on Ethereum. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks weaker once again, so FBTC is trying to break bull, continue uptrend. Hopefully it does. And we're gonna see highest price for FBTC since January. It's January. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you want me to cover something else. I'll talk about anything else. But yeah, let's hope we can get back above this blue 21 weekly MA. Bye.